Good morning, students. Now we will start chapter 5th, heat. As you know from the word heat, the sensation of warmth, we feel hot. Heat is a form of energy flowing from one body of matter to another spontaneously due to their temperature difference. As you know, flow of heat always from body of higher temperature to a body of lower temperature. This flow of heat due to temperature difference. Transfer of heat energy or thermal energy always takes place from the body at a higher temperature at a lower temperature. Hot and cold. In your daily life, we will experience something is hot and something is cold. You will sense the particular body is hot or cold. Tea is hot and ice is cold. After some time, tea becomes cold due to transfer of heat from the hot tea to surroundings. When we add heat to a body, motion of its particle increases. Or when we remove heat from the body, motion of its particle decreases. Do you know temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The more is the temperature of a body, the hotter it is, and vice versa. Then temperature of something tell us how hot or cold something is. Effect of heat. When a body is heated, various types of physical and chemical changes take place. We observe in our daily life. There are some physical changes and chemical changes. In physical changes, change in temperature, change of state, thermal expansion. We know on addition of heat to a body, its temperature increases, and if we remove the heat from the body, its temperature decreases. Change of state means it can change from the solid to liquid or to gas by the addition or removal of heat from the body. Third one is thermal expansion. The phenomena of expansion of matter on heating is called thermal expansion, means the body will be expand on heating. Next, chemical changes on heating. Reactant, many chemical changes take place. Example, we will produce hydrogen gas or oxygen by the chemical reactions. How can we measure temperature? Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees. There are three scale of temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and degree Kelvin. In degree Celsius or Fahrenheit or Kelvin, we have freezing point as well as boiling point of water. In degree Celsius, the freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade and boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. In degree Fahrenheit, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. And in Kelvin scale, the freezing point of water is 273.15 Kelvin and boiling point of water is 373.15 Kelvin. There are some conversions. How can we convert different scale of temperatures? You see it carefully.